pace steady, we've got a good yield here.
Yeah.
Looks clear on this row. Watch the conveyor.
This cluster looks perfect, very sweet.
I think these high ones are ready too.
Here are the freshest shoots just for you.
Oh, wonderful. They look absolutely perfect.
These look perfect, the best crop yet.
Absolutely beautiful. We did it!
These are the freshest bamboo shoots from the mountain, picked this morning.
They look wonderful. I will take these ones.
Did you hear what she just said? Oh, I heard it. You are too funny today. It's just the joy of being out here with you both.
Chrysanthemums are sun-dried naturally on large mats, then transferred to ovens for perfect dehydration.
Millions of tons of rice are harvested annually, feeding global populations. The work is hard, but essential. These tiny, nutrient-rich soybeans represent a crucial global protein source for countless consumers. tighter to the intake. Copy that, watching the hose pressure.
We've got a good haul this year.
Yes, I'll have this crate filled by the time you get down. Did John move to the next row yet?
Tobacco leaves are hung on racks for natural drying or cured in kilns, changing color from green to golden brown.